Parmigiani Fleurier unveils l'armorial Répétition Mystérieuse. Main features are case, crafted in 18K white gold with a thickness of 12.65 m. The case features a design inspired by ancient Greece. Movement, powered by a Renaud and Popeye movement, specifically designed for this unique timepiece. Limited edition, only 5 pieces of this extraordinary watch will be produced. Minute repeater, the heart of the watch. This complication strikes the hours, quarters, and minutes upon activation, offering a harmonious and enchanting melody. No dial. The front of the watch features an intricately crafted dial adorned with guilloche, engraving, and enamel work. But no. Traditional time indications. Time indication. Time is indicated on the reverse of the watch through spherical dots and hands on a white Guatemalan jade chapter ring. L'armorial Répétition Mystérieuse is a secret watch, which means it tells time solely through its sound. Unlike traditional timepieces with dials and hands, this watch relies entirely on its minute repeater to indicate the hours, quarters, and minutes.